So just keep that in mind, okay? So the behavior also. So if someone's behavior is off, your behavior can affect the CUV complex when you get intimate. So your behavior, your attitude, all of these affect the complex actually waking up. Isn't that cool? So when you are having this psychological or hormonal or behavioral or even physical, for example, if you have surgery and someone wants to do something, a doctor wants to do something in this area, you got to be careful, because if you physically traumatize the CUV complex, that can cause female sexual disorder. So you want to be careful and make sure that everyone knows, don't touch, protect, make sure it is not damaged at all, no matter what happens, right? So you got to make sure that that's intact. You don't want it damaged at all. I'm sure it's very fragile, because remember, it's not that it's there all the time. It comes into play. They all have to come into play to make sure they become that complex, right? And whenever you are trying to stimulate it, you have to take into consideration that each person is different. It's unique. You're not going to get the same stimulation from one woman from the other. Please understand that. There's no way you're going to get the same complex, because they're different in sizes and shapes, textures, response, all sorts of things make it different, right? And even the bladder and the muscle of the vaginal wall, all that plays a role here. So you really want to know that your own CUV complex is your own CUV complex and is very different from person to person. Okay, so I just wanted to reiterate today that your G spot is the CUV complex, and there are a lot of let's see. There are a lot of there are a lot of articles out now that actually will confirm what I'm saying, which is so exciting.